All right. Yes. Welcome back. Welcome back to another captivating episode of the Thought Matters podcast. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and we're taking a remarkable leap into the mystical expansion of Level 57, Unity with the Universal Mind. This is where we explore the depths of cosmic consciousness and our profound connection with the collective intelligence of the universe. What does this mean to merge with the collective intelligence and consciousness of the universe? Well, it's like becoming a single drop in the vast ocean of universal wisdom. Imagine feeling the oneness with the minds of countless beings and celestial entities that have ever existed. It's a state of profound unity where the boundaries of individual thought blur and the universal mind becomes your mind. At this level, you access a boundless reservoir of universal knowledge and wisdom. It's as if the universe itself is an open book and you're reading every page simultaneously. From the secrets of the cosmos to the history of existence, this knowledge flows through you effortlessly, guiding your thoughts and actions. Now, the real magic happens when you take this universal insight and apply it to uplift and transform your reality. Your thoughts and actions are no longer confined to the ordinary. They're infused with the wisdom of the ages. Your perspective on life becomes a cosmic perspective. And you're a beacon of inspiration, radiating change and transformation wherever you go. As you've probably guessed, achieving level 57 brings a significant transformation in your mental state. Your thoughts are no longer limited by earthly concerns, and the world sees you as a living channel of universal intelligence. How can you embark on this transformative journey? It begins with deep introspection, meditation, and a willingness to expand your consciousness. Read books, explore philosophies, and connect with mentors who have walked this path. Your passion for learning and a relentless pursuit of knowledge will be your guiding light. Now, in our next episode, we'll explore the exciting world of Level 58. But until then, I want you to express my heart, and I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to you, our dedicated listeners, and the incredible team behind the Thought Matters podcast. Your support and enthusiasm keeps us going on this remarkable journey. Thank you for being a part of this cosmic odyssey. And remember, your thoughts truly matter.